Hello everyone, I'm too thankful for today. I'm Pastor John MUTEBI and also the legal representative of Adonai's Mati Academy. I also attended this crusade today and it has been very fruitful upon to me because we have studied really about the family. And one thing that I've got so much is that many conflicts that arise in our families, they always arise because there is no sitting and conversations, having conversations all together. Because when you converse, when the spouse converses with the man or with the husband and they talk about certain things, conflicts don't arise. So I've greatly knew about the three tables, sharing the food or the lunch or the supper, and even fellowshipping, that is prayer, and even fellowshipping, that's when you are going to sleep as partners. So this one has really helped me, and I've also got to know that people see different things in different perceptions. That's where they talked about number 9 and number 6. If one is standing on the other side, he sees it at number 6. And if the one is standing on the other side, he sees it at number 9. So we should remove the differences and we come on one side. So that one has helped me, and we are too thankful to IYF for this crusade. May God bless you so much.